Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
So hello everyone. Welcome back to another exciting video. So today video, we will see how to make speech-to-text converter using JavaScript. But first, I'd like to hear from you guys. If you have any topics in mind, don't hesitate to drop a comment below and I'll be sure to make a video on it soon. So without further delay, let's get started. Our speech-to-text converter is up and running flawlessly. If you found this video helpful or informative, please show your support by hitting the like button and subscribing to our channel. We greatly appreciate your support and hope you'll tune in to our next video. Thanks for watching, and see you soon.